Happens 3 times in there on the backbone. Every time one of those methoxide ions comes in, it strips off a fatty acid chain like this. So you're left with your ester. And this is biodiesel. That's what you're putting in your car. But you have all this other stuff. Once you've reacted off these 3 chains, so you get 3 chains off, you have the glycerin that you have to wash out. And you also have your KOH bound up in your glycerin, and you drive the reaction by putting excess methanol in it. So you have a lot of extra methanol, about twice that methanol you need. So you got to remove that, and that's what the distillation column is for on the top end there, to try to pull some methanol off of the glyceride. But this is what people make soap with and recompost. So that's kind of the reaction in a nutshell. Does that kind of make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And so you can read, is that you said it was a distiller tube? Is that what you call it?
Yeah, that's basically what it is.
It's just basically it's a chiller essentially. So basically you heat this up, and we actually put a vacuum pump on it so that the boiling point of methanol is dropped down to a lower level. The methanol is essentially boiled off of the batch, goes through this tube, which has then all around it is cold. Basically it's run out to a freezer outside, so there's a cold fluid coming in here, and this whole outer shell, this is like basically a tube inside the tube, so the outer shell is all full of cold glycol, and then basically as that methanol is boiling off, it's becoming a gas, it's boiling off and comes through here. As soon as it hits here, it's then becomes liquid again because it cools back down, and then comes out and can be collected and then can be used back into the batch.
Glycol is